Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can actually adjust your iPhone ringtone volume. What you need to do is you just need to go to the settings, and under settings you need to swipe up and you need to find the sounds and haptics. Just tap on it, and here there is a volume option button. You can adjust your volume from like this to your ringtone and increase or decrease the volume accordingly. So that's how you can actually adjust your ringtone volume. Another thing which you can adjust the haptics is you just need to go to the haptics, and here you can adjust the option of the haptics normally means the vibration of your phone. So it's like you want to it always play and play in the silent mode. So there are options, you can set it according to your need, and that's how you can actually adjust to change the ringtone. Here you can change the ringtone. Another way you can increase the volume of your ringtone is the volume button up. You just need to keep holding or pressing like this, and it will go up. That means that you're increasing the volume button of your phone and also the ringtone and alerts and alarm volume. So that's how you can actually adjust your iPhone ringtone volume. I hope you understand, and that's how it works. So until next video, bye bye.